Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 4. Before the presentation begin, let me introduce the member of the group. My name is Isan Abdullah. The leader is Randy Sinaga. Member Rivaldi Ardiano, Muhammad Zaki, and Nuryanti Ruth. Next slide. Next slide is description. Ringan Tangan ID is a web application designed with the aim of facilitating and enhancing the involvement of volunteers in various social and community activity around them. The apps comes as an innovation solution to provide an all-in-one platform to search before and engage in social activities and communities. The app provides detailed information about each activity and allow personalization of volunteer profile. In addition, the apps allows volunteer to create report, adding a dimension of responsibility and transparency of to their contribute. Next slide. So next slide. Okay. Functional requirement. F.1, the system must allow user to register, account, and login with a valid username and password. F.2, the system displays statistics on the number of volunteer communities and activities. F.3, the community can manage activities, add, change, and delete. F.4, volunteer register themselves in the listed activities. F.5, volunteer report on the activities they has done. F.6, user can set the activities. F.7, user can set the communities. F.8, the system display information about the community and activities. F.9, the volunteer community can view the profile of volunteer who register. F.10, okay, non-functional requirement, criteria, aesthetic design, parameter, and attractive and easy to use interface that make user comfortable when interacting with the platform. Response time, the response time should be less than 2 seconds for each user request. Length, user use Indonesia, optional English. Security data, ensure the security of personal data and sensitive information stored in the system, including data encryption, and protection against cyber attack. Legal compliance, ensure the security of personal data and sensitive information stored in the system, including data encryption and protection against cyber attacks. Capacity, the system must be able to store and manage up to 1 million data record. Visibility display interface that.
Okay, I will explain about the use case diagram. In our system, there are three users, volunteers, community, and admin. Registration must be done by volunteers and communities before login, but admin can login directly. Managing activities and viewing the list of volunteers who have registered can only access by the community. Searching of activities and communities and logging out can be done by all users. Registering activities and reporting activities can only be done by volunteers. To manage volunteer and community, um, to manage volunteer. Next is ER diagram. There are 6 entities: admin, volunteers, community, activities, registration, and reports. Admin has ID admin as the primary key, volunteer has ID volunteer, community has ID community, activity has ID activities, registration has ID registration, report has ID report as the primary key. Volunteers with registration have a field relation, while communities with registration have a receive relation. Communities have a create relationship with activities.
Okay, I will explain table structure. Table number one is table volunteer and primary key is ID volunteer and structure table and name is ID volunteer, type integer, length 20 and description volunteer code. Number 2, name, type varchar, line 150. Number 3, name, email, varchar, and line 255, and others. Table number 2 is table community, primary key is ID community, and structure table name is ID community, type integer, line 20. Number 2 is name community, type varchar, line 255. Number 3 is email, type varchar, line 255. Table number 3 is table activity. Primary key is ID activity and foreign key is ID community. And structure table name in one is ID activity, type varchar, line 20. Number 2, community photo, type varchar, line 255. Number 3 is name community, type varchar, line 255. Okay, next. Table number 4 is table report. Primary key is ID report. Foreign key is ID volunteer and ID registration. Table name number 1 is ID report, type integer, line 11. Number 2 is ID volunteer, type integer, line 20. Number 3 is ID registration, type varchar, type integer, line 11. And number 5 is the table registration. Primary key is ID registration, foreign key is ID activity and ID community. Structure table name is ID registration, type integer, line 11. Number 2 is ID activity, type integer, line 20. Number 3 is ID community, type integer, line 20. Okay, and the last table is admin. Primary key is ID admin. Structure table name. Okay, next slide. I will explain about interface. Number 1 is registration for volunteer, registration for community, login, profile for community. User can search activity, volunteer enroll in activity, community can manage activity, community can view volunteer who sign up, volunteer can create report, community sees report from volunteer, display for admin, and profile for volunteer, and last is volunteer can view reports and activity. Okay.
Okay, I will explain about our testing identification KU005. Tag case name testing the addition of activity by the community with complete data. Scenario: the community selects the correct activity. Option: the sidebar. Choose system. Display the correct required data form. 3. The community fill in the form with complete data. 4. The community clicks the correct activity button. Expect result: the activity is successfully added to the system and appears in the activity list. Observation result: the activity is successfully added. The community can see the newly created activity and the system confirms success. Identification KU006. Test case name testing the addition of activity with incomplete data. Scenario: the community selects the correct activity option on the sidebar. The system display the requirement data form. The community fill in the form but leave some field blank. The community clicks the correct activity button. Expect result: the system give an error message, then some field must be filled in. Observation result: the system redirect to unfilled and the button cannot be processed. Conclusion: observation result are in accordance.
That's all we can say on this progress. We know our presentation is far from perfect. Your suggestion will be very helpful of us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.